Hi friends, my name is Rakesh Doshi, lecturer of Raigad College of Pharmacy. Today's lecture topics: structural evidences of benzene, then synthetic evidences of benzene, then analytical evidences of benzene, and last one, aromaticity and Huckel rule of benzene. Okay, let's start structural evidences of benzene. In this case, studying structural evidences. Okay, first point, molecular formula of benzene C6H6. Okay, in this molecular formula 6 carbon atom and 6 hydrogen atom was present. Benzene was aromatic compound, contains alternate double bond in a ring. Then Kekulé structure of benzene, this one is Kekulé structure. Okay, benzene was obey resonance energy. Okay, then orbital structure of benzene, orbital structure and resonance energy was studying in last lecture. Next topic, synthetic evidences of benzene. In this case, benzene is not straight chain form. For unsaturation test, benzene react with bromine, but there is no decolorization of bromine, indicates benzene. Okay, benzene reacts with KMnO4, hence no decolorization of KMnO4. B point, benzene undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction. Benzene undergoes addition of hydrogen in presence of nickel and zinc. Okay, these are the synthetic evidences of benzene. Okay, description of synthetic evidence of benzene. Benzene is not a straight chain structure. Alkene react with bromine. In case of some example alkene, alkene reacts with bromine to form dihalogenated alkene. Example, when compound contains alkene treated with bromine solution and after reaction bromine color will decolorizes. But benzene is a cyclic compound, there is a no free end for addition of a bromine or KMnO4. Okay, and require high energy for reaction, require high energy. So benzene is not reacted with bromine and color of bromine or KMnO4 will remain same. Hence detect benzene. Okay, these are the reactions of benzene. In this case, react with bromine, KMnO4, H2SO4. There was no any reactions occurred, only benzene was formed. Benzene undergoes electrophilic substitution. In this case, benzene react with bromine in presence of FeBr3 acid to undergo electrophilic reaction to form 1-bromobenzene. Formation of 1-bromobenzene is the evidences of benzene structure. Okay, this one the reaction of electrophilic substitution. Okay, benzene react with bromine gas, form bromobenzene. Okay, C point, benzene undergo hydrogenation reaction, addition of hydrogen or reduction reaction. Benzene undergoes reduction in presence of a nickel catalyst to produce cyclohexane and liberate delH 49.8 kilocalorie per mole energy that will tell the compound is benzene. Okay, this is the reaction of reduction reaction. Okay, next point, analytical evidences of benzene. Okay, structural evidences of benzene completed, then synthetic evidences also completed, and the third topic, analytical evidences of benzene. In this case, various spectroscopical method for detection of the benzene. Okay, first one, IR spectroscopy. IR spectroscopy will be studying in a third year or final year in detail. Okay, just overlook IR spectroscopy. When sample mixed together with KBr and converted into pellets. Okay, in this case IR spectroscopy analytical method, just want use KBr, okay, KBr compound mix with, then convert it into pellets form, okay. Pellets pass to IR beam, infrared beam, gets vibrated or rotated and shows peak, then shows peak. In this case, shows peak functional group present in our compound will be detected. Purpose to determine functional group. This type of the graph was detected in a computer, okay. IR spectroscopy. IR spectroscopy is principle. An IR spectrum is essentially a graph plotted with the infrared high absorbed on the y-axis against the frequency or wavelength on the x-axis, okay. IR spectroscopy detect frequency of infrared light that are absorbed by a molecule, okay. जेवढं पण ऍब्झॉर्प्शन होईल, ओके, कंपाऊंडचं तेवढं रिडिंग येईल. देन मॉलिक्युल टेंड टू दिस specific frequency of light since they correspond to frequency of the vibration of a bond in the molecule, okay. Procedure of the IR spectroscopy analytical method. When sample mixed together with KBr and converted to pellets pass to IR beam, gets vibrated or rotated and shows peak, okay. These are the short procedure for the IR spectroscopy. Next, analytical evidences in NMR spectroscopy. NMR spectroscopy means nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy. When sample kept in a magnetic field, hence proton present in the sample acquires resonance and gives peak. In this case, the number of proton and carbon shows in a peak. Purpose to determine chemical structure including carbon and hydrogen. That type of the graph present was detected in our computer attached to the NMR spectroscopy, okay. NMR spectroscopy in detailed description. Purpose. Nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy is an analytical chemistry method used in quality control and research for determining the content and purity of sample as well as its molecular structure, okay. It will detect number of proton and number of carbon atoms. Number of proton determined by H1 NMR. In this case, two types of NMR spectroscopy using. First one H1 NMR spectroscopy, and number of hydrogen can be detected by C13 NMR spectroscopy. Benzene contains 6 hydrogen and 6 carbon atoms. H1 and C13 NMR gives single peak with a chemical shape 7.26 gel, okay. Then analytical evidences in a third point, mass spectroscopy. Mass spectroscopy also use the detection of the structure of the benzene. In this case, an electron bombardment on the sample, hence ionization of a sample to form molecular ion peak and fragment peak, okay. Purpose of mass spectroscopy to determine molecular weight, okay. Molecular weight can be detected by using a mass spectroscopy. This type of the graph was formed in our computer, okay. Today's lecture reflection spot. Describe aromaticity and enlist aromatic compound, okay. Define aromaticity, what is aromatic, okay. Then enlist your remembering aromatic compound, okay. You are studying in a 12th, 11th, 12th, okay. Please write down in your book and proceed, okay. Aromaticity and Huckel rule, okay. First, structural criteria must be satisfied for compound to be aromatic, okay. Aromatic compound ला satisfaction करण्यासाठी काही क्रायटेरिया दिलेले आहेत ते पूर्ण करायला पाहिजे, तेव्हा तो aromatic compound होईल. फर्स्ट वन आहे सायक्लिक असायला पाहिजे तो. देन प्लेन असायला पाहिजे. देन कम्प्लिटली कॉन्जुगेटेड, ओके. फोर्थ वन आहे कंटेन्स अ पर्टिक्युलर नंबर ऑफ पाय इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. त्याच्यामध्ये पाय इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पर्टिक्युलर नंबरचे असले पाहिजे, तेव्हा तो अरोमॅटिक कंपाऊंड होईल. अ मॉलिक्यूल मस्ट सॅटिस्फाय युगर रूल विच रिक्वायर पर्टिक्युलर नंबर ऑफ पाय इलेक्ट्रॉन. आता आपण हुकेल रूल पाहणार आहोत. अन एरोमॅटिक कंपाऊंड मस्ट कंटेन 4n+2 pi इलेक्ट्रॉन. ओके, n इक्वल टू आपण घेऊ शकतो 0, 1, 2 and so forth. Cyclic, planar and completely conjugated compound that contains 4 pi electron are especially unstable are said to be anti-aromatic. ओके, anti-aromatic ची म्हणजे कसं काय राहील ते सांगितलेलं आहे. Cyclic, planar and completely conjugated compound that contain 4 pi electron. ओके, तेव्हा तो anti-aromatic compound होईल. आता बेन्झीन बद्दल पाहणार आहोत आपण. बेन्झीनची aromaticity कशी आहे. Benzene is aromatic and especially stable because it contains 6 pi electron. Anti-aromatic मध्ये किती होता 4 pi electron. आता बेन्झीन मध्ये किती आहे 6 pi electron. ओके, cyclobutadiene is anti-aromatic and especially unstable because it contains 4 pi electron. Okay, these are example of benzene and cyclobutadiene. This one anti-aromatic compound, this one aromatic compound. Note that the Huckel rule refers to the number of pi electron, not the number of the carbon atoms in a particular ring. The number of pi electron that satisfy Huckel rule. Okay, n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and it's on, and 4n+2. Okay, pi electron 2, 6, 10, 14 and 18. Okay, so on, continue. Benzene and its aromaticity. आता आपण aromaticity कशी कॅल्क्युलेशन करायची ते पाहणार आहोत. आता अगोदर आपण बेन्झीनचं एक्झाम्पल घेऊ. आता हुकेल रूल काय आहे 4n+2 pi. One bond gives 2 pi electron, hence benzene contains 3 double bond. In this case 3 double bond present. Okay, 3 double bond gives 6 pi electron, means 3 double bond gives 6 pi electron. आता हुकेल रूल काय म्हणतो 4n+2. आता आपण नंबर ऑफ pi bond काढणार आहोत. 4n+2 त्याच्यामध्ये काय 6 pi इलेक्ट्रॉन, 6 pi 4n+2. ओके, 4n 6 minus 2, 4n equal to 4, n equal to 1. हेन्स n ची व्हॅल्यू किती आली आहे 1. आता हुकेल रूल काय म्हणतो 4n+2. आता n ची व्हॅल्यू मिळाली आपल्याला 4, याच्यामध्ये 1 टाकायचं +2. आता काय मिळालं आहे हुकेल रूल काय म्हणतो 6 pi इलेक्ट्रॉन असला तर aromatic होतो. According to Huckel rule, benzene is aromatic because it cyclic आहे, planar पण आहे, presents alternate conjugated double bond पण आहे, and it follows Huckel rule means it satisfies 2 pi, 6 pi, 10 pi, 14 pi, 18 pi, 22, 26, 30 pi of electron. ओके, म्हणजे तो aromatic compound आहे. आता आपण अदर पण aromatic compound चे एक्झाम्पल पाहणार आहोत. आता याच्यामध्ये आपण फर्स्ट घेतलाय नॅफ्थलीन. हे नॅफ्थलीनचं स्ट्रक्चर आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये आहे कॅल्क्युलेशन ऑफ n. आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेशन ऑफ n काढायचा अगोदर हुकेल रूल काय म्हणतो 4n+2 pi. 1 double bond gives 2 pi electron, hence नॅफ्थलीन कंटेन्स किती आहे 5 double bond, means gives 10 pi electron. आता हुकेल रूल पहा काय आहे 4n+2. आता याच्यामध्ये व्हॅल्यू टाकायची आहे आपल्याला n ची. आता आपल्याला काय भेटलं अगोदर n ची व्हॅल्यू भेटली 10n. ओके, 4 किती इलेक्ट्रॉन आहेत 10n. ओके, 4 n ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे काढायची आहे ती +2. 4n 10 minus 2. ओके, 4n equal to 8. n 8/4 आन्सर किती आला आपलं 2. n ची व्हॅल्यू किती आली आहे 2. ओके, हुकेल रूल काय म्हणतो आता 4n+2. आता n ची व्हॅल्यू ऍड करायची 4 2 +2. आता याच्यात 4 into 8 +2 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन, म्हणजे तो हुकेल रूल फुलफिल केलाय त्याने क्रायटेरिया हुकेल रूलचा. ओके, म्हणजे तो aromatic आहे. नॅफ्थलीन कसा आहे aromatic. अकॉर्डिंग टू हुकेल रूल बेन्झीन इज aromatic because it cyclic आहे, planar आहे, presents alternate conjugated double bond आहे आणि हुकेल रूल ला फॉलो करत आहे. ओके, आता नेक्स्ट कंपाऊंड घेतलेला एक्झाम्पल फेनॅन्थ्रीन. याच्यामध्ये कसं 3 रिंग आहे. aromaticity नॅफ्थलीन कॅल्क्युलेशन फेनॅन्थ्रीन आहे, सॉरी नॅफ्थलीन नाही आहे, नॅफ्थलीन झालेला आहे. ओके, हुकेल रूल 4n+2 आहे. आता 1 bond gives 2 pi electron, hence नॅफ्थलीन. हा फेनॅन्थ्रीनचा स्ट्रक्चर आहे. ओके, One bond gives